Hi, Grammy.
So we got your box.
We got your box.
Okay, Jack, go look and see what's in there.
It's my ornament and recipe sauce.
What is it?
And little birdies.
Cool. Jack, what's in that box?
Yeah, they're just for me. There's two little, maybe they're ornaments.
Here, let me see the card. Let's see who this is for. Oh, this is for us. What's that?
Little gingerbread. Little mouses.
Are they ornaments?
I got some too.
You got some too? Where are you going to put them?
On the Christmas tree.
Should we show Grammy our Christmas tree? Look, there it is. It looks a little sparse, but when it's lit up at night, you can't see all the holes.
Oh no, these are just soft ornaments.
What do you say to Grammy?
Fluffy. Thank you, Grammy. I like soft animal ornaments.
Jack, what do you say to Grammy?
Thank you.
Thank you.
And thank you for buddies.
Can you say Merry Christmas, Grammy?
Merry Christmas, Grammy.
Here, say it again.
Merry Christmas, Grammy.
Say we'll see you later.
We'll see